Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the fees for a BMO Bank checking account. BMO offers a variety of checking accounts, and the fees depend on the specific account you choose. It's important to know the details so you can pick the one that best fits your needs. First, let's talk about monthly maintenance fees. Some BMO checking accounts have no monthly fee at all, like the BMO Smart Advantage checking account. Others have a monthly fee that can be waived if you meet certain requirements, such as maintaining a minimum daily balance. For example, the BMO Relationship checking account has a monthly fee of $25, but it can be waived if you have a high enough combined balance across your BMO accounts. The BMO Smart Money checking account has a $5 monthly fee, but it's waived for customers under the age of 25. Beyond the monthly fee, there are other costs to be aware of. Using a non-BMO ATM can incur a fee, typically around $3 per transaction. Overdraft fees are another potential cost. For some accounts, this fee can be up to $15 per overdraft. However, the BMO Smart Money checking account has a no overdraft fee policy. You might also be charged for things like paper statements or check images. These fees are often a few dollars per month but can usually be avoided by opting for paperless statements. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.